Hey guys, once again you're welcome back to my channel, and I appreciate your loyalty for always coming to this channel. I appreciate you. And to our first time viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. It is God that brought you here. It is not by a chance, so it is God that brought you here. Hey, and the God that brought you here will take you far. So thank you so much for coming to this channel. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you found any of our videos helpful, don't forget to click on the like button. So today let's go into today's work without wasting much of our time. Oh, to our returning subscribers, I blow you kisses, always now. So thank you so much, so let's get started into this work. I'll be drafting this piece of bag. The design we've been having lately, it is just it is fantastic. It is fantastic as always. Now only one dandy feels to run now, share you grab. And so let's get started anyways. So here's the design we'll be drafting today, and then for the width I'll be working with 12 inches of width, and then for the length I'll be working with 9.5 inches, 9.5 inches. So I don't know, maybe I'm the one viewing it that way. This design is actually giving this lip vibe, our lip now. Yeah, it's giving this lip vibe. I don't know, maybe if I'm wrong or something, so you can just tell me the shape that is giving you, but me, it's giving me this lip vibe. Anyways, let's continue. That's not the bone of contention, so let's continue. So don't forget the length, 9.5 inches, while the width is 12 inches, so I'll be cutting that out before we start shaping it. So the first thing I need to do now is to locate the middle of every side. Do you understand? Both the length and the width, I'll be locating the middle. So for the middle of the length is 4.75, yes, 4.75 inches, and then the middle of the width is 6 inches. So from the middle of the width to the middle of the length, I'll be connecting it together, like I'll be connecting it in a curved line. Do you understand? Yes, I'll be connecting it together. So now going to the upper part. Yes, going to the upper part, I'll be taking 1.5 inch on both sides. Do you understand? Don't forget I already locate the middle. So on that middle spot, I'll be taking 1.5 inch on both sides. That's 3 inches in total. Do you get that? 1.5 inch on both sides. So just mark that spot out. So at the middle, I'll be coming down by half an inch. Yes. So that half an inch and 1.5 inches, I'll be connecting it together. Just blend it together. Make sure you blend all edges very well. Are you getting that? Hope you are not lost. So from this spot, which is the middle of the length, to that part, I'll be connecting it together as well. So now I'm done with this part, with this first part. I'm done with it. So I'll be cutting it out, and once I'm done cutting it out, I'll be replicating the same thing for the other side as well. Now I'm done cutting it out. I believe, like I'm sure that is already bringing out the shape already. But this upper part is kind of too wide, too high rather. So I'll be coming down by half an inch, and then I'll be blending it together to the middle. Yes, just half an inch. So once I'm done with this, I'll be replicating the same pattern, this same pattern, to another cardboard. Yes, I'll be taking another cardboard and then tracing out this pattern. And this is going to serve as the side attachment. Yes, yes. So I'll be taking in 1.5 inch all round. So there are some parts where I take in 1 inch, just like that upper part. Do you understand? But on the side I take in about 1.5 inches, but every other part I think it was 1 inch that I used all through. Do you understand? And once I'm done with that, I'll be cutting it out with my, what's it called, with my blade. Yes, I'll be cutting it out with my blade. So I'll be needing two pieces of this. It's going to serve as the both the front and the back. Do you understand? And then for that main pattern, for the main body pattern, I'll be needing two as well, for the front body and for the back body. Do you understand? I'll be needing my side as well, but that is when we get to the sewing part. Do you understand? So like I said earlier, this pattern is going to serve as both the front and the back body. So let's assume I am holding the back body. Don't forget, both the front and the back body is going to have undo. Do you understand? So on that spot where I just marked now, that is where our undo is going to stay. I'm sure you enjoyed today's tutorial. Like, I'm very sure, 100% sure. Overconfidence they kill happy, but me, oh, I'm very sure. Like, I'm very sure. Even though you've not yet subscribed to this channel and you've been coming to this channel, just to drink from this well, please, you need to subscribe. You need to subscribe. So please do well to subscribe. And if you know this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you some other time. Bye.